Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file a complaint in Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Agoda application on your smartphone. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, just go ahead and log in using your email address and your password or your Facebook, your Apple, or your Google account. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into this home screen. Now, in order to file a complaint with the Agoda team, you will simply need to tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Now, this will take you to the More Account Settings page. From this page, just scroll down and you can find the Help Center. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can either use the drop-down menu to look for help with specific topics, or you can perform a live chat by tapping on the live chat option at the bottom right corner. You can also tap on the Contact Agoda Customer Service option, and then you will be allowed to address your concern regarding anything related to Agoda. You can also tap on Contact Agoda and you will be able to reach the team so that you can file your complaint directly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to file a complaint in Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.